It's Tim Albright with AVNation at DSE 2017. My buddy Kesh from KanexPro. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Question I'm asking most people I'm talking to is why are you here? Why are you showing? It feels a little bit more important to ask you that question because we're familiar with you from the both residential and the commercial side. And when I kind of discovered that you guys were here, I was like, well, that's interesting, right? So why is KanexPro here?
KanexPro is here for several reasons. We have been doing this show since last year.
Okay.
We're newbies to this industry. But certainly our products have been utilized in the digital signage arena for the last 2 to 3 years. We had a very big project with Starbucks in which they utilized our HD-based T extenders. And since then we've been getting that exposure, and we thought, if we're doing anything to do with hospitality market, might as well serve here and see and try. And just like Infocom and CEDIA, this show has been giving us a little support.
Oh, wow.
And with that, we're building a different line, different segment of products that would actually meet the digital signage needs.
Okay, so so let's specify on that. Let's drill down. What have you guys developed that specifically goes to digital
this
signage?
Year, we're so happy to introduce HD-based T repeaters, signal repeaters that actually would help at airports, train stations, restaurants, where they want to run signage just from one source. There's an advantage in which they can loop up to several displays, without cost-effective cabling.
So is it, real quickly, the repeaters you're saying, because you're saying several different displays.
Yes.
Is the repeater a single repeater, or is it like a DA? Is it distribution
It's like a
amp?
DA.
Okay.
So a DA that repeats the signal to every 2 displays, and you can go up to 16 or more based on the daisy chain. And just using cost-effective, category 5 or 6 cables for signage, instead of them spending thousands of dollars for every source device, different TVs. This, I think, would do a great job.
Okay, so let's clarify here. For HD-based T, you have to have some sort of repeater, because it only goes to so many yards.
Yes, so I can,
so many meters.
So what it comes is a box that actually has a loop in and out for HD-based T, and they buy one of our transmitters. The transmitter is the one that connects to the source device, and then that will loop and daisy chain to multiple repeaters.
But what I'm asking is how many meters between?
100 meters.
100 meters. Okay.
330 feet. Yeah.
So, but at 100 meters, I have to have one of these repeaters.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
That's okay.
So 100 meters I'm thinking, is a typical distance for an average signage they want to run, and 330 feet over Cat 5 is a lot.
It's a lot.
And we also offer some other solutions like fiber optic extenders if they want to use something which is highly secure. We can do that. Besides that, I think we also have high-end modular matrix switchers. So if they want to run multiple contents to multiple displays, they can use our switchers, which are seamless in nature and modular in design. So they can pick and choose a card for any transport that they want. If they want VGA, which is still available today, SDI for broadcast, or fiber optic or HD-based T, we sell those. And we manufacture and we put it in the HD-based T matrix system, modular, and they can get all the signals they need.
Real quickly, back to the fiber. You said fiber extenders. What's the distance limitation on the fiber?
That one will be 2 kilometers.
Okay.
Yes.
So anything, wow, that's a long time. Okay.
Yeah.
So backtrack for a second, because I mentioned the residential part. You've got commercial integrators. If somebody has a digital signage installation that they're working with, let's say it's a client that they're already doing other work for, but they also, they have a digital signage component.
Yes.
Walk me through contacting Kanex and how you guys can help them engineer a solution.
First, the best way to reach us is obviously through either email or phone call. But if they saw something at the show or at the event or any product, they can inquire within directly to us, either through show number, catalog, anything like that. We will get back to them shortly through email. Yeah. We're open Monday to Friday, and we're West Coast, so people in East Coast have time. It's 3 hours more with us. Depending on their application, we also have a team of application specialists that can help design and see.
So walk me through that process.
What they're trying to do. So if they have just multiple displays that they're trying to build maybe a restaurant, or maybe it's maybe a house of worship center, whatever it is, we look at the diagram, we look at the schematics, we offer what we can do in there, And then we also suggest how they're going to control it. You know, what aspect is needed in terms of the orientation of displays. Are they going to be, you know, horizontal? Are they going to be vertical displays? You know, what are we trying to do?
Or are they going to be 45 degrees, you know?
Correct. Who's going to manage the content? Where's the software going to come? So once we have, or we fill in the gaps, then we recommend our products. And finally, we ask them, if you want to sign up as a dealer, we're open. And if you prefer to get it from a distributor, we're open for that too.
So you can go through either channel?
Either channels we're open.
All right, very good. So if they want to get a hold of you guys, what's the website to do that?
It will be just KanexPro.com, and our number to reach is just 888-975-1768. And we're open, you know, for your business.
All right, very good.
Yeah?
Thank you so much. My name is Tim
Thank you so much.
Albright
Yeah, pleasure.
with AVNation. For more information about us, you can find us at avnation.tv.